This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
I won't guide you to bypass a fingerprint lock or open WhatsApp without authorization. If you legitimately own the phone, start by confirming the registered phone number and SIM are in your device, and make sure the phone is charged and on Wi-Fi. Once done, use the phone's normal lock screen to unlock and access settings. Do not attempt forced workarounds. Make sure any local backups are noted. You'll need them if you later opt for account recovery or resets. Next, focus on legitimate recovery. Request WhatsApp's SMS verification to the registered phone number. This requires the SIM in your control. If you still have an unlocked secondary device, sign in there and check Google Drive backup status and the backup timestamp so you know what you can restore. If you cannot verify the number, contact WhatsApp support from another device with clear proof of ownership, account number, device IMEI, and any payment receipts if applicable. Explain the situation calmly and provide requested info. As a last resort, if you absolutely own the phone and cannot verify the WhatsApp account, a factory reset of the device can restore full access to device settings. But this erases app data, so back up anything accessible first. Once you regain control and sign into WhatsApp, re-enable fingerprint lock and set up two-step verification to protect your account. If something goes wrong, make sure Wi-Fi and Google account credentials are correct. Otherwise, visit an authorized service center for in-person help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.